Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing well and geared up for a fun-filled fall. I love the fall season. It was really hard, or has been really hard, saying goodbye to the summer this year because we had an amazing summer, lots of fun travel and just lots of time with family and amazing weather. So I cannot complain about this summer, but the fall is one of my favorite seasons and I'm excited for Halloween and I'm excited for fall fashion. So today I'm going to share with you 7 items that I recently ordered from Cupshe. If you guys are familiar with my channel, I did a Cupshe haul back at the beginning of the summer, so this is going to be my full Cupshe haul. And what I've done this time is I kept everything in the packaging because I want you to see what it looks like when you receive it in the mail, because I like clothes that are ready to wear, and if I have to iron it and prepare it for, before I actually put it on, oftentimes I end up never wearing it because I'm not good at ironing and I hate going to the dry cleaners because they're extremely expensive. So I am hopeful that the items that I received today for the most part are ready to wear. Okay, so this is a button-down top that I received from Cupshe, and take a look at it. I'll also be trying everything on so you can actually see what it looks like on, but this, I am so happy with this. Especially a button-down top, most of the time they tend to be super wrinkled, but this material, I feel like you could probably roll it in a ball and it would not wrinkle. And I love the print on this. Isn't that cute? I thought this would look really cute with a pair of jeans and maybe a belt, and I think it's really, really adorable. So, okay, so far so good. The next item that I have here, I believe this is a dress that I ordered. It's a long gray cotton dress. Oh, and by the way, I love these bags. Definitely save them because they are great for wet bathing suit bags when you're going to the beach, and they're also great for packing. They can actually fit quite a bit, and they kind of work as free packing cubes, so definitely make sure you hold on to those bags. All right, so here is the cotton dress. This is a little bit wrinkled, but because it's cotton, I feel like I could just throw it in the washer and dryer and hopefully the wrinkles will come out. I love the V-neck on this, and there is some ruching in the center here, so that's always helpful. And this is a pretty long dress that buttons down all the way down the front. So I think that's gonna work out well. I'm excited to try everything on. All right, here is, I can't remember if I ordered a top or a dress. Is this a dress? Yeah, this is a dress. Okay, so this is a really pretty navy floral dress, and definitely is wrinkled. Definitely have some wrinkles going on there, so I'm gonna have to see if I can maybe just throw that in the dryer for a bit. But I like this because you can see there's like a shorter skirt underneath, and then it's a longer sheer skirt in the back. I really thought that was a cute style. And it also has these sheer sleeves, and I just love that print. Look at that print. It's really vibrant flowers, and I always love navy, so we'll go ahead and try that on, see how that works out. All right, this should be a win-win. Whenever I order sweaters, I feel like there's gonna be no issues with wrinkles or things like that. So, oh, this is really cute. Okay, so this is a sheer sweater, so you definitely would need to wear something underneath it. It has a little hood, and then it has a drawstring around the neck, and I really love these colors. It's like this really pale pink and gray and white and like a beige color. So really, really cute. 3 more items to go. Okay. All right, so this is a navy top, and this one is definitely gonna need some pressing for sure. It goes off the shoulder, and I love the lace embellishment on the top, this kind of like crocheted lace, and it has an elastic around the wrist, so a little bit of a puffy sleeve. And it's kind of a wide shirt. It's not too fitted, so I like that as well. And probably gonna unfortunately need to iron this one. I don't want to iron anything, but so far not too bad. Only a couple of things that are gonna need some attention. All right, and this is a white and navy cardigan. The material on this is actually really nice. Oh, this isn't navy, it's black. I thought that I ordered navy, but that's okay. It looked navy through the bag, but this is black and white striped. Just a nice long cardigan. I could wear this over leggings or jeans, and it doesn't have buttons or anything. It's just like wide open, and it does have pockets, which is nice. And finally, I am loving polka dots this season, and I've been seeing a lot of them. So this is a really cute polka dot pants romper. So it's really hard to show this. This is what I'm definitely gonna have to try on to show you guys. But it is one shoulder, which I thought was really cute. Black and white polka dots, and the pants look like they're going to be a little bit on the shorter side, which is good. I don't think they're supposed to be too long, especially for people that are short like me. I hate having these types of outfits because they're always so long on me. So this actually looks like it's going to fit, and my cat is grabbing it. And I thought this would be really cute for any type of Disney vacation, Disney cruise, because it is the polka dots. I thought it would look super cute with like Minnie Mouse ears. So that was actually my thought when I picked this one out. Okay, so that is everything. Let's go ahead and try it on and see how I like it. Okay, so first I'm trying on this polka dot outfit. I think it's really cute, and actually I'm shorter than I thought I was because it does like just skim the floor, but with a pair of shoes or especially platforms, I'm sure it'll be fine. I think it's really cute and perfect, obviously, for a Disney vacation. I'll show you guys. Let's put the ears on and see how it looks. Yeah, I think that's perfect. So yeah, this is really cute. Okay, so this is actually a wrap dress. It wasn't like the high-low like I thought it was. What it is the skirt. Oh gosh, she's gonna be attacking me. The lining of the skirt comes to about here, and then the bottom of it is sheer. So I think it's really cute. I feel like wrap dresses always look like a little oversized on me. You guys will have to let me know what you think. It just feels like a little, I don't know. It's just always a little bit more blousey on the top, but I think it's really pretty, and it has a lot of really nice fall colors, and the cat is going to get this tag. So yeah, I think this is really cute. Why do all of their skirts have to have these tags on the bottom? So this is really cute. The gray cotton dress with the ruching. I think it's really comfortable too. It's kind of like a nightgown. But I do like it. It is kind of wrinkled, so I definitely need to throw it in the washer and dryer, but it is really cute. And again, I do appreciate the ruching that they have in the waist, so it's not so, you know, you're not so self-conscious about any belly that you might have, because I put on a little belly this summer. So yeah, I think this is really pretty and comfortable, and definitely would look cute with a little pair of booties or, you know, a pair of boots in the fall. And I think it's really, really a nice fall dress. Okay, this is really adorable. I love the colors on this. I just love all of the pale pinks and whites and gray. And again, you do need to wear something underneath it because obviously it's pretty see-through. There's a lot of holes in it, but it's really cute with a pair of jeans, and I do like the hoodie aspect of it. So I think this is really another good choice for the fall. I was so apprehensive about this pattern, but I think this is one of my favorite things that I got from Cupshe. Really, really cute. I love this pattern, and I love that, again, it is really not wrinkled at all. I mean, it's so easy to just take it out of the bag and wear it. I don't have to worry about wrinkles. Hopefully it holds up the same when I wash and dry it. And I love also, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's these little black buttons as well. And it's a really nice material, so super cute. This is like definitely one of my favorites. Love this top. Then I have this cardigan that's the white with black stripes. I think this was one size, so it is like a little bit long on me. Not too bad. The sleeves are a little bit long, but I think it's really cute and cozy and perfect for the fall and winter months. And it's just like a nice cozy throw on cardigan, has pockets, which I always appreciate having some pockets. So again, really, really a nice pick for the fall. Okay, so this top is cute. I just feel like I need to play around with it a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to, it's kind of hard to do this with my phone, but this is not like laying flat. And if I pull it down more so that it would lay more flat, my shoulders feel a little bit like restricted. So I don't know that I would pull it down that low, but I probably just have to fuss around with it a little bit to get the perfect fit. Also, obviously, I'm going to have to either throw it in the washer and dryer or iron it, but I do love navy, and I do, when I can get it to lay flat, it is really, really pretty, just a little bit off the shoulder. And again, I just love this design. So hopefully I can kind of mess around with it a little bit and get it to lay appropriately the way that I like it. I'm really happy with all of the selections that I made, but keep in mind, you definitely need to look at their size charts, because I'm typically a size small, like a size 4 to 6 approximately. And I noticed that sometimes the actual measurements appear to be a bit smaller than that. So I actually went up a size in most of the things that I ordered this time around, because when I ordered last time, there were a couple of things that were probably a couple of inches too small on me. So don't just go by what size you think you are. Definitely take a look at the exact measurements for each article of clothing so that you're sure to get a perfect fit. And I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing everything from Cupshe that I decided to get for the upcoming fall and winter months. Go ahead and check my link in the description below for a discount on your next purchase with Cupshe. I do really love their clothing. I've been really happy with everything that I've gotten from them. So definitely highly recommend, if you are looking to upgrade your fall wardrobe, go check them out. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd love to have you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know if you have ordered anything from Cupshe in the comments below. Let me know how you made out with your order and with the items that you received. I know they have a really big bathing suit following. Everyone seems to love their bathing suits, so it's been fun experimenting with their clothes recently. All right, I hope you're all off to a great week, and I will see you all really soon. Take care. Bye.